this is not centered. Hey everyone, welcome to Vlogmas day 4. Finally day 4, wow. So I feel like it was super busy this morning. We went to the gym. I had my Pilates class and it's really hard. I really want to take videos there, but I can't do it because it's always full and you can't take video without taking videos of your neighbors. And I feel like it's such an invasion of privacy. But yeah, it was fun. And then we also did some ab workout with Mac earlier, and now Mac is not here because he is meeting the appraiser for the property that he just went in contract with, in contract with for his client, and hopefully it will appraise. So I am now back chilling. Well, not chilling, I still got a bunch of things to do. I have to edit Vlogmas day 3, and then I have to finish my class. So I just went to our mail room and I have a bunch of packages, so I think I'm gonna unbox them because unboxing is always fun. So that is all of this stuff that I got. Maisie's bed, but she's not really using this as a bed. This is my 3rd time purchasing it because I remember the very first time we purchased it and it got dirty. When we wash it, it damaged it a little bit. So we purchased another one and that lasted for 2 years. It was still like okay, but like I said, if I wash it, it's gonna get damaged and it will leave like a lot of, what do you call this? Like, residue pieces, sticky, I don't know, I can't describe it, inside our washer and dryer. So I don't want to do that. So I just purchased a new one. This is very cheap. It's only $30 from Costco, and Maze doesn't even sleep on it. I just got it because it's so cute. It's perfect for like aesthetic purposes. Like, it's very cute. Yeah, it's very cute. I love it. So I'm gonna put it here. I'm unboxing will be Mac's coat. I was finally, you know how like coats are super expensive, and I'm glad I was able to find a from Banana Republic, and I know they have pretty much like good quality. So I got him one. Ooh, nice. So this is the coat that I got for him. This was on sale. Now he has a brown coat. He has brown, he has black, so that's perfect. And because you don't really need a lot, but you need like staple pieces that will last you forever. He got his black one since, I don't know, I can't even remember. Last but not the least, I'm just gonna go down here. I am going to be unboxing Maze's treats and food. So Open Farm, that's what we use for, that's the brand that we use for Maze. They are offering some really good deals. So yeah, why not? She still has like a lot of food, but might as well get her stuff that are on sale so we're not paying more. Ooh. So I'm trying out this harvest chicken recipe. This one is their new air dried, gently air dried harvest chicken recipe. It's bone broth infused. I'm excited for this. I got her 2. And then I think this is gonna be perfect, especially when we're traveling, because when Maze is like overstimulated, she doesn't really like to eat her meals. She just wants treats. And I feel like this is super close to treats. I don't know if you can see that over here, but it's like treats. So I'm sure she will love that. Single ingredient treats. It's called Cubes chicken flavor. So I'm gonna give her some right now. Maisie, come here. I got treats out. Come on. Good job, baby. Okay, just gonna get her treat. She's super gentle. And then another thing that I got the, what is this? Lamb liver. So I got chicken, lamb liver, and then Mace doesn't have any allergies, so that's what I like about Open Farm. Is, for example, like they have this in like fish and beef and like different, you know, protein. So that's why, and we always like switch. I feel like every other 2 weeks or every week we're having her try like different protein, so she's very well rounded with food. She doesn't have any allergy, though she's very sensitive with some of the food that she's not familiar with, so we only feed her open farm. So one last thing that I got is the freeze-dried raw. So this is the texture, and then as you can see over there, and we just add water or sometimes broth or whatever you feel like. And this is a good meal or a meal topper for her. And yeah, looks like she wants more treats. All right, guys, so now current time is 2:50 p.m. I will work on Vlogmas Day 3 for 30 minutes. I'll try to edit and upload it. And then I will be working on my real estate class. I'm really trying to finish it today so I can apply to be eligible to take the licensing exam. I'm excited for it. I'm nervous at the same time, but we'll get this done, so I'll get back to you guys.
Cold enough to make you shiver, but not cold enough to snow. Cold enough to...
Alright, so I'm cooking kangkong. Here are some of the leaves, something healthy. So we're cooking adobong kangkong for dinner. Current time, it's 6:04 p.m. And then after this, I'm just gonna wait for the meat to be more tender. And then that's it. I'm not using any vinegar. I'm using calamansi, so it's more like natural. It's foggy. My hair. Bobby, you have to sit.
I gotta sit.
You have to sit and say bye to the vlog. Okay, so update. We actually had quite a busy evening. No, we watched a movie. I finished my second course final exam, and there's one more final exam which I'm gonna be doing tomorrow. So yeah, and I'm gonna be done with my real estate class. And also we had a meeting with the interior designer of our condo in Cebu. Finally, it will be ready for it will be ready next year, January. We thought it's gonna be ready by the end of this month, but you know, there are some delays. We get that, and that's fine. We're not gonna let that stress us. But yes, that's about it. We're gonna say bye to the vlog. Bye, Vlogmas Day 4. We'll see you again tomorrow for Day 5.
See you on day 5.
See you in Day 5.
Scarves and sweaters bundled up in cotton, knowing